Hello, my name is Coco Renee, and how you doing today? So right now I'm giving you this look today, and I'm calling it Fire and Ice because we got the warm tones, we got yellow, we got pink, we got yellow and pink, yeah, and the crease, and then we have all this blue across the lid with the blue liner and purple. And so I'm just giving you this look. I kept it neutral on the face and on the lips, and I just gave you some glow. Do you see that? That glow is beaming. It's beaming and booming and it's bunking. It's doing all of that. So if you want to look forward to see how to do this look, stay tuned, and thank you. So this is what my skin's looking like as we speak. It's kind of oily. So what we're gonna do is just start off with a primer. Use the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I'm gonna put it in my T-zone. I'm just gonna rub it between my fingers. And usually my brows don't look this great. I just recently got them done and they're on fleek on it. They're on fleek. So yes, okay.
Morphe M410. Let me see. Oh, it's blending in. There you go. And it's square. And I'm gonna use today for concealer under my eyebrows is the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in the shade C14.
And then I just underscore my eyebrows. And today, since we're going for a colorful look, I'm gonna just have this go down to my eyebrows, like I said, down just a little bit, not fully covering my lid. So I'm gonna then get just a buffer brush like this from Morphe. It's a the letters 173, and it looks like this. Sorry, it's a little dark. It's dark, but it's okay. We're just gonna blend out that concealer we just played. Gonna put some white concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal because I want these colors to pop. Go back with the brush in this packet. It's gonna blend in with that. So right now we have the base for the most part. Set that, and I use a brush like this, big fluffy brush. I don't know, it's a Morphe 218, and I'm gonna get my Laura Mercier, just a little small version, because you know, beauty on a budget. And I'm just gonna tap it and set it. So now our base is good, so I'm gonna do the one eye, and I'm gonna be right back to show you how I did it. Okay. So I am back. Here's one eye done. So okay, I don't know if I'm gonna get the liner this good on the other side, but we'll see. First color I used was yellow, and it was the shade, oh, there's no shade name, so just the yellow from my Juvia's Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna put it right under that brow bone. The next color I'm gonna use is also from the Zulu palette, and it's the pink shade. You know, adding till I get the pigmentation I want. Oh, and this is a Morphe brush from the Rose Gold Eye Set. I got it from my bestie. She bought this for Christmas for me. Had the best bestie ever. So I'm just going back with that brush. I have the yellow on. And blend that pink out, because blending is key. I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna get the color out Zobo. And I'm gonna use not that brush, but this brush from the same Rose Gold set. And then we're gonna go back to that brush that we had, the pink one, and just blend those edges out. Then I'm gonna go with a smaller bullet brush or pencil brush, whatever you want to call it. And I'm using the Morphe R41 Rose Gold. And I'm gonna go into the purple that's from the Zulu palette and go right in that crease. And then I'm gonna blend that out with the previous brush that we had, the Zobo on. Look, do you see how pretty that? Don't tell me nothing. Say no. Don't tell me nothing. So just to deepen it a smidgen and a little smidgen, I'm gonna go back with that pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place, the Magic palette, and use this dark color called Ife. And I'm gonna go right where that purple was. Try not to be. Oh, Jesus! Got too carried away over there. And then we're gonna go with that lash brush that we had, you know. Okay. So now, okay, what I did on the other eye for my base to cut the crease, I didn't like it because I can't find my matte soft ochre right now. So no. So what I'm gonna use, we gonna see how this goes. So I'm about to use this Essence Eye Stage stuff. I barely use it, so I was like, you know, why not? You know, let's use it. Cut the crease. So I'm just gonna use a concealer brush like this. This is the Morphe 224. I'm just gonna cut the crease. Okay, that's as cut as it's gonna get today. So that's the cut crease situation. So since it was a liquid, I said liquid, liquid. Since it was a liquid, I'm just gonna get back my Laura Mercier and just set that fast, real fast and quick like. So the first shade I used for my little blue situation is from the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia. It's not sponsored, but at this point it should be. So, you know. And I'm gonna use the mint shade. I'm gonna butcher it. It's you know what? This is the mint shade because I'm not about to butcher it because it was not meant for me. So I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner. Okay, then we going everywhere. Going back to the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna use this a nice little shimmery blue situation in here and put that in the center. So then we're gonna go back into the Saharan 2 and we're gonna use this color called Berber, not Burberry, but Berber, you know. Go back with that bullet brush, and you know, try to blend that purple with that blue a little bit. And it's gonna make a beautiful like dark blue purplish situation over there. Go back into that brush to blend that out. Right, so I'm gonna do this liner and pop on some lashes, and I'm gonna come back to do this face. So the lashes and liner is on. I messed up on the liner because I was trying to touch it up and it just went left. But you know what? We just gonna keep it pushing because it's late. I already did a lot. So this is where we at. And the lashes I used were some mink lashes that I got. I might have forgot what style, so sorry. So let's get to the face. I'm just doing a concealer face today because, like I said, I'm just going straight to bed. So concealer face for me means that I'm just gonna be concealing my face, really. So what I use is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define color, but my skin shade is C18. It's gonna do like a 3 little thing, go to my nose, and then kind of do like that. Okay, then I use C14 to highlight, but today usually I use C14, but I just got C15, so I'm just gonna see how that works. Since whatever's left, I just take it under right there. So that's the face. Oh girl, we need to set it. We need to set the face. So we got to go back with that little mustard, y'all. So real quick, we're gonna go right back to the eyes. I'm just gonna put a white pencil in my lower lash line. It's the Kiss New York Professional. It's just a white color like this. You get it from your beauty supply store, girl. Beauty on a budget. Then I'm gonna use the brush that we had, the little purple concoction, and this. Alright, so right now I'm about to do some brows real quick. And I love this using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. And I got it in the blackest brown. It's like this and has a little spoolie on here. Spray my face. I'm gonna use this dark brown by Kiss New York Luxury. It's an eyeliner, but you know, there ain't no rules of makeup. And yes, it's a dark brown. And with MAC's Wet, Wild, and Wonderful. There we go. Because I want it to be more neutral. It's like a giving you some vibes. So I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. There's a lot of cheaper highlighters, you know, you don't have to break the bank. So I'm just gonna use the color Bronze. time. Okay, y'all, so thank you for going through this tutorial. Thank you for watching, but this is the finished look right here. I call this fire and ice because, you know, you got the fiery and the crease, and then, you know, all the blue on the lids. So this is it. And please, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see whenever I post. I don't know what days we're going to post quite yet, but just if you have the bell on, it won't even matter because you're going to get it, right? So I just want to thank you, and you have a great one. Bye.